Yo, what's up, guys? What's going on? What's going on? How's everybody doing? Let's have a look at the JASMY chart here, guys. I ended up staying home from work today. I'm not feeling great, so I figured, hey, since I'm home, let's cover the news, right? Let's cover the news. What do we got? So first, let's have a look over at the JASMY chart, guys. Just kick things off. We like to kick things off with the JASMY. You know how we do. As you can see, guys, oh, I forgot to close that. There we go. As you can see here, um, yeah. So as you can see, we track this, guys. If you've been on the channel, we've been every day. We do for the most part every day. We do the JASMY morning chart videos along with a couple other projects, XCN and stuff. And we've been tracking this descending channel for I don't know month and a half or so. Anyway, and we tracked it. We said we were going to get the break to the upside. We did. And what did I tell you guys yesterday in the live stream? I said this candle was green initially, and I told you guys that we could likely come all the way back down here, and we could retest 3 cents as support. Right? Remember, I said that to you guys yesterday. So we have fallen through it. We wicked almost down to the 30-day SMA, and then we wicked right back up again over 3 cents, guys. So very bullish. If we can close this daily candle above 3 cents, even if it's red, if we can close it above 3 cents, fantastic, super fantastic. Do it now. It'll be awesome. It'll be a good close, and it could help us on our next leg up to 4 cents. But yeah, let's build this support level up at 3 cents so that we don't see prices below there again. That would be fantastic, right? But yeah, so we'll watch this daily candle close though, guys. We'll see if it closes above 3 cents. Let's get into the comments here, see what everybody's up to today. As usual, guys, make sure you're smashing the like and subscribe to help the channel grow. That would be absolutely awesome. All right, so what do we got? Oh, also, we got a poll going on, guys. We got a poll going on, so make sure you participate in the poll as well. Batlander, what's going on, man? Good day to the JASMY community. What's up, my friend? Good to see you. Blah, what's up? Are the members' side videos posted on Patreon since I'm planning to upgrade? Yes, you do get the members' videos as well. And you get Patreon only content. I just uploaded another Patreon video, a technical analysis training video yesterday onto the Patreon. So it's hot. What's up, man? Long time no see. 3K Sports, what's up, my friend? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. David's in the house. Finally caught a live stream. Nice. Yeah, I haven't seen you in a few days, brother. Sorry, but I have to ask, what's wrong with AWT? It's down so much. I mean, you know what? Web3 gaming has not had its day in the sun yet. We'll see what happens, right? We will see what happens. One thing that you have to remember in crypto, guys, this is why you have to be diversified, right? You can't stress about every single project you're in. Some are going to hit, some are not going to hit, right? Not everything that you invest in is going to go to the moon. I mean, AWT, in my opinion, is going to have a fantastic bull run still. Web3 gaming hasn't even started to take off. And if it crashes and goes to zero, I personally don't really care because I'm diversified in a lot of other projects, and I will more than make up for that loss. So you have to remember, I can't remember who was it, Kevin O'Leary, I think he said, when he was asked about in the last bull run, why he was in so many different altcoins and stuff. He said, listen, I'm diversified in multiple other, many altcoins, because that way, listen, I don't need all of them to hit. I just need a few of them to hit, right? You have to remember that. Tara, hey, Rob and JASMY family, get to feeling better. Rob, Father, thank you so much, Tara. Thank you so much. Nick, hello, Mr. Rob and JASMY family. Just saying hello to everybody. Hold strong, diamond hands. Nice of you to stop in, brother. It's always great to see you, my friend. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. A few of you guys do that. You pop in when you're at work or something like that, and you just, you pop in, you say hi, you leave a comment to support, and that's awesome, man. That is greatly, greatly appreciated, right? Greatly appreciated. All right, so we are all caught up in the chat. Let's get into the news of the day, shall we? We looked at the JASMY chart. It's looking good. We're going to monitor this candle again for the daily close. We'll see what happens, but for now, let's go on to the bubbles and see what some of our gainers are looking like today. Some of our biggest gainers. Miri is up 6.9%, looking good. XRP's have 8.5. XRP made it all the way to 59 cents too. Very nice run for XRP. JASMY's 2 cents 8, holding strong above 3 cents. Very good. Bitcoin 64.9, made it to 65.1. Can Bitcoin continue upwards? Well, we're going to talk about it a little bit, guys. We're going to talk about Mt. Gox. We're going to talk about the Ethereum ETFs. Guys, we're going to talk about the BTC rally and if it will continue. That's what we're going to talk about. But what else do we got? What else is pumping big today, guys? OTK is pumping big. I bought some of that for my father-in-law a while ago. He's holding that. Nice little pump there for him. LCX is having a good time, almost 18% up on the day. Some good pump action, guys. Some good pump action. Some good gainers. And yet, there's still a couple of laggards that will be good DCA opportunities, right? GFAL, TLOS, H-bar. Guys, H-bar at 7 cents. Are you kidding me right now? That's a steal, man. That is a steal. Now, if you're a member of the channel, you know that, about 2 months ago now, when H-bar hit 19 cents, I told the members I sold my H-bar because it was too good to pass up, right? Because my entry point was so low. I took those profits, I rolled them over into Swift. Now, if you're a member of the channel, you get my buy and sell alert, so you know what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and when I'm doing it, right? But so I sold at 19 cents for H-bar, but to be able to get another entry point at 7 cents, I'm gonna have to take that. I'm gonna have to take that offer, man. Get back into H-bar, because I believe in H-bar. It was just, it was too good of a pump to pass up, so I took profits on it, and as a result, I got a crap load of Swift, right? So it was a good trade-off, and now I can get back into H-bar at these fantastic levels. So it's a win. It is a win. All right, so let's get into this a little bit here, guys. First, let's talk about the Mt. Gox situation, shall we? All right, let's talk about it. So Kraken to begin distributing Mt. Gox compensation funds soon. 3.1 billion worth of Bitcoin transfer noted. So Kraken has announced the receipt of funds from the Mt. Gox Rehabilitation Trustee on July 16th. This marks a significant step forward towards compensating those impacted by the historic collapse of Mt. Gox Exchange a decade ago. In an email to the affected parties, the exchange said it plans to begin distributing Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash to affected users within the next 7 to 14 days. So the question here, guys, is this going to crash the market? Are Mt. Gox retail creditors going to start selling, or are these true Bitcoiners, and are they going to hodl? Because for me personally, if I'm getting back Bitcoin from Mt. Gox, okay, about 12 months before the price of Bitcoin goes parabolic, right? Why would I sell it? Why would I would just hold it for the next, I don't know, even just holding it for 8 to 10 months. It's going to be, the price is going to be significantly higher than it is right now. It doesn't make a lot of sense to me to sell at, what's the current price of Bitcoin right now? 64K, 64.8. It doesn't make financial sense to me to sell at 64.8, even if my cost average is $700-800. If I know that the price is about to go to around 200K per Bitcoin in the next, I don't know, 12 to 15 months, why the hell would I not just hold it for another 12 to 15 months? I've waited this long, right? Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense to me at all, but that's how I feel about it. I want to know how you guys feel about it. Would you guys sell? Answer me in the chat. Let me know that, guys. If you got Bitcoin back from Mt. Gox today and you knew where we are in the market, that the market's about to pump in the next 12 to 15 months and Bitcoin's going to go from 64 to 200K, would you sell now as soon as you got it back if your entry point was like $700 or $800, so you're still in massive profit? Would you sell now, or would you wait 12 to 15 months and sell somewhere between 150 and 250K per Bitcoin? What would you do? I would love to know. Let me know in the chat, guys. According to Kraken's email, the amount received has been determined by the trustee, and the exchange will distribute the funds according to their instructions. Quote, we have successfully received creditor funds of BTC and Bitcoin Cash from the Mt. Gox trustee. While we will work to distribute funds as quickly as possible, please anticipate 7 to 14 days for the funds to be credited to your account. The amount you will receive has been determined by the trustee, and we will distribute according to their instructions. Kraken's announcement follows the actions of two Japanese exchanges, BitBank and SBI VC Trade, which received and quickly distributed their allocated funds within hours. In an update on Tuesday, prominent blockchain intelligence company Arkham Intelligence revealed that the address, there's the address, is most likely associated with Kraken, one of the exchanges involved in repaying Mt. Gox creditors. These addresses received a transfer of 48,641 BTC worth around $3.1 billion from Mt. Gox earlier today. Notably, this massive sum remains unspent till the time of writing. Additionally, the Mt. Gox trustee still holds another portion of BTC transferred this morning, amounting to 43,114 BTC, valued at 2.74 billion in several addresses. In a separate notice issued on the same day, rehabilitation trustee Kobayashi reported significant progress in the repayment process for Mt. Gox creditors. Following an initial round of payments on July 5th, 2024, the trustee continued on July 16th, 2024 by distributing Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash to some rehabilitation creditors through designated crypto exchanges, aligning with its rehabilitation plan. Kobayashi further revealed that over 13,000 creditors have received their allocated funds so far. He further went on to add that several criteria must be met before repayments are made, which include verification of the validity of the registered accounts and related matters, acceptance of the intention to subscribe to the agency's receipt amendment by the designated crypto exchange, finalization of discussion between the rehabilitation trustee and these exchanges regarding the repayment process, and assurance that repayments can be executed safely and securely. So, what do you think, guys? Is this going to crash the market? Yes, no, maybe so. Let me know. Let me know. Now, we're going to jump over to covering Bitcoin's price action here. What do we got going on? So Bitcoin's price tops 65K. Here's why BTC rally is poised to continue. So charts say that the Bitcoin rally is going to continue, but this Mt. Gox distribution over the next 7 to 14 days may say otherwise. Be interesting to find out. Bitcoin's price has been on the investors' radar lately. The BTC just topped at 65K, the 65K mark. Notably, the robust rally over the past few days has sparked discussion in the crypto community if the rally would be sustained or short-lived. Meanwhile, a flurry of short-term concerns has further fueled speculation over the longevity of the rally. Despite that, the market pundits remain optimistic over the continuation of the bullish sentiment. The questions about whether the rally is to be short-lived or to continue forward stems from the recent short-term challenges. For context, the recent Mt. Gox repayment concerns have further fueled discussions over the pullback in the prices. However, the recent market trends and positive comments from industry experts have raised bets over the continuation of the rally. Here, we explore some of the potential reasons that could further bolster the rally. A recent report from CNBC highlighted the potential Fed rate cut as soon as September, cutting the CME Fed watch pool prediction of 93.3% odds over a 25 basis rate cut has fueled optimism in the market. Man, 93.3% chance of a rate cut in September. That's massive all of a sudden, guys, right? Notably, this comes after the latest U.S. CPI data, a favorite metric of the central bank to gauge the inflation, shows a cooling figure. In addition, the recent comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell also raised bets over the dovish stance in the policy rate plan. If you guys remember, we live streamed him talking yesterday about that. Jerome Powell on Monday gave some relief to investors, saying that the central bank wouldn't wait for inflation to come down to 2% target range to start trimming rates. Besides, he also expressed greater confidence that the inflation will come down to 2% range given the recent set of data. Very bullish, guys. My bet is the next reading, CPI reading, will be just under 3, and there we go. We'll be in the 2s, and they will cut rates in September. Very, very bullish, guys. The robust inflow of the U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF has bolstered market confidence recently. It reflects the growing institutional interest in the flagship crypto, further cementing bets over the rally to continue. Senior Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchinian, as we call him, highlighted the robust influx in the recent X post. According to Balchinian, Bitcoin's ETF has taken 2 steps forward after 1 step back in June, citing yesterday's influx of $300 million in weekly inflows of over $1 billion. In addition, he also highlighted the year-to-date influx already crossing 16 million for the first time with recent influxes. Notably, the analysts have predicted an inflow of just 12 billion to 15 billion for the first 12 months, which the investment instrument has already surpassed. As you can see, pow! Bitcoin bulls can breathe a sigh of relief. Fears surrounding the potential sell-off due to Mt. Gox repaying creditors in BTC has been downplayed by crypto quant CEO Kai-Young Ju. Ju assures investors that the outflow currently observed isn't retail dumping, but rather Mt. Gox preparing for payouts. Unlike the forced sales by the German government, Mt. Gox creditors have the freedom to hold or sell their recovered BTC, he affirms. Besides, analyst Alex Kruger even estimates a maximum of 10% price dip in a worst-case scenario of an imminent sell-off. Furthermore, he believes these long-held coins will likely react similarly to existing BTC in the market, potentially dampening any significant price drops. This news adds to the positive sentiment surrounding the BTC price rally. The crypto market is buzzing with anticipation, as evidenced by the recent performance of the digital asset. In addition, the speculations over the U.S. spot Ethereum ETF trading to start in July, which we're going to cover after this, guys, have further fueled sentiment. Besides, this could also boost the altcoin market. In addition, a flurry of on-chain data indicates BTC's price rally is to continue. For instance, Kai-Young Ji also recently highlighted that Bitcoin's Coinbase Premium Gap has hit a 3-month high, indicating a shift in the crypto market sentiment. On the other hand, renowned crypto market expert Ali Martinez said that if BTC can stay above 62.5 mark, the next target level would be 66.250. Furthermore, he also emphasized that 66K mark to propel another rally to new all-time highs for BTC. As of writing, Bitcoin's price erased some of its major gains and traded near 64.5 mark after crossing briefly the 65K mark recently. However, BTC future open interest was up nearly 3% according to CoinGlass data, indicating the market confidence in the crypto market. And if we go over, guys, and we have a look at the Bitcoin chart, as you can see here, guys, we had our downtrend going, right? We had our descending channel, and we've broken out of it here to the upside. Now, doesn't feel like it, but we've now had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green days in a row, and we're about to close our 5th green day in a row here, and hopefully tomorrow another green day. So we're at 5 green days in a row so far, guys. We're sitting right at the 100-day SMA right now, guys. I think we're going to break above. Next level of resistance obviously is going to be somewhere right up here, right? Somewhere up here, most likely, is going to be that next level of resistance, somewhere around 72.6, right? If we can break through that, guys, price discovery, right? That's what we're looking at. And if you really look, we've been ping-ponging here for quite some time, guys. So it is only a matter of time before we break out of this to the upside. This could be our time to shine. So, but we'll stay on top of it. We'll keep tracking it, right? All right, a couple other brief little things. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's jump over to the Dixie as well before we get into Ethereum, right? So if we look over at the Dixie, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Look at this gorgeous red freaking drop. Again, guys, what we're doing here is we're seeing this level of support on the Dixie, right? But we also see what? We see a double top, right? So we are likely going to see a crash to the downside here on the DXY. And if you don't know what that means, guys, it's the price, it's the dollar, dollar price index, right? So what's going to happen here, when we get a collapse on this, risk on assets, i.e. crypto, Bitcoin, are going to pump. They're inverse correlated, right? So we need to see this crash down, and we'll see stocks. Like if we go over to, let's have a look at the S&P 500. Let's have a look at what you talking about? S&P 500. Where is S&P 500? Okay, look at that. Oh, look at the S&P 500, baby. She is looking nice. She's in an upward trajectory, guys. Listen, usually when stocks are running like this, crypto generally follows it, right? So this is very, very bullish to see continued all-time highs in the S&P 500. Very, very nice, guys. Very, very nice. All right, let's get over to a couple other things before we get into the spot Ethereum ETF. Real quick news here from Elon Musk. He says he's just announced that due to the Governor Gavin Newsom signing AB 1955, which bans schools from making rules requiring parental notification if a child identifies as transgender, among other laws, SpaceX will move its headquarters from California to Starbase near Brownsville, Texas. Okay. I mean, it is what it is, I suppose. I mean, you're going to move your whole office? I'm trying to understand this here. So he announced, so it bans schools from making rules requiring parental notification. Okay, so what they're saying here is that they don't think they're trying to stop parents from being notified from schools. Am I reading that right? Let me know in the chat, guys. I don't know. Maybe I'm having a brain fart here, but it bans schools from making rules requiring parental notification. Yeah. Now listen, guys. I have no issue with the trans community and stuff like that. I really don't. In fact, I have a trans brother, used to be my sister, right? Don't see her much. Don't see him much, but you know, whatever. It is what it is. I have no issues, right? However, I will say this: my son, who's 4 years old, is going to Catholic school because these public schools who are pushing this narrative, I don't think that you should be talking to children about sex and gender at all, period. They're children. That's just it. That's just how I feel. So my son is going to private school, right? But I mean, Elon Musk is going to do what he's going to do, right? Clearly he feels similar, so he believes parents should be involved with their children. So whatever, good for him, right? Good for him. Also, we got Samson Mao says buying Bitcoin under 100K is the opportunity of a lifetime. I agree. 100%. 100%. All right, let's get into the Ethereum ETF news, shall we? All right, so spot Ethereum ETFs likely to start trading as early as July 23rd, reports. Exchange-traded funds investing directly into Ethereum likely to start trading July 23rd, guys, according to a media report dated earlier this week. Recall, the U.S. SEC approved in May certain regulatory requirements from prospective issuers, but the regulator has yet to approve the applicant's S1 registration filings. The S1 filings are due Wednesday by 5:30 p.m. Eastern. The block reported, citing one source familiar with the matter. These Ether holding funds, once cleared for trading, will likely attract slower demand than the spot Bitcoin BTC USD peers. I think they probably meant anyway. Partly due to the lack of an ETH staking feature in the ETF, Berenstein contended last month Bitcoin holding ETFs, meantime, having garnered strong inflows since debuting at the beginning of the year, fueling what has been a strong rally in the underlying token. Now, what I would say about that is this, guys. Before we saw the spot Bitcoin ETF, we saw a whole lot of professionals saying that it was not going to perform well and it wasn't going to do as good as people thought, and it actually outperformed the highest expectations. So when you start to see these professionals say that the Ethereum ETF's not going to perform that well, hold on to your butts, because it's probably going to perform better than they anticipate, right? With a looming green light on the spot Ethereum ETFs, the token climbed 1.7% to 3.46K in the mid-afternoon, trading Bitcoin, which has posted solid gains following the, on Trump, on former President Trump Saturday advance. So the market pumped as soon as that freaking bullet left the chamber, right? Crazy. Pretty freaking crazy. Anyway, guys, I think that it's going to make the market go nuts. I think that the ERC20 ecosystem, the Ethereum ecosystem is going to go nuts. I'm very, very bullish for it. I'm here for all of it. Jacked, stacked, and fanny packed. And it just started raining. Interesting. Anyway. All right, back to the JASMY chart. Let's get back into the chat and see what's going on, guys. See what everybody's talking about. All right, where were we? Where were we in the chat? Here we were. We're at David's charts here. Boom. Good to see you, brother. Soul Boy, what's going on, my friend? Badlander, I took full advantage of that H-bar pump and got back in a lower price and a whole lot more. I love it, man. I love to see it. See, we're making moves, baby. We're making moves. Hope they roll it over into alts. Yeah, hey, that would be amazing, man. That would be amazing. Bro, I got to sell at least a few, depending on how many I hold. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I would hold personally. I mean, it just doesn't. Even if I needed the money, I could find a way to hold off for 12 months, right? Freaking take out a loan or something for 12 months. Holmes, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, man. What do we got here? How to? What's up, man? My MEXC account won't let me buy or sell while using my VPN all of a sudden. Worked yesterday, but doesn't matter which country I choose my VPN. It says I'm not allowed in your country. Help. I don't use a VPN at this point in time. I don't know, guys. If anybody can give some advice on that, I'm sure it would be greatly appreciated if you're using a VPN. Big Kev, what's up, fam? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Williams in the house. What's up, man? Roderick, what's up, buddy? Thoughts on new Saitama on ETH around $2.5 million market cap? I've not really looked at it yet, but I will look at it right now. What's it called? Saitama? I don't know which one it is. I've got I got a few of them popping up, brother. You talking about, this is like the V1, right? Price not tracked. You said it's on ETH? Is this the one you're talking about? This is wrapped ETH. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, brother. If this is even the right one, I'm not too sure. Crypto Homes, yep. Gold just hit an all-time high in dollars. Yes, exactly. We are ready to go, baby. Del Boy, what's up, man? They say the BTC is the only sure thing in crypto, so why sell it for cheap profit? Exactly, 100%. You have a combination here, right? You have the fact that the value of Bitcoin is about to increase exponentially, and next year they're most likely going to start printing money again. So not only is the value of Bitcoin going to start skyrocketing next year, but the value of your fiat dollar is going to start going down. So it doesn't make sense to sell it yet, right? Dumb Money, what's up, man? A little late, but working on here. Nice. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Public schools can groom your children without your knowledge. Yeah, it's shameful. Absolutely shameful. Amen to that. They're children, so stop it. 100%, man. Leave the children alone. Absolutely, man. Children are losing their innocence at younger and younger ages, and it's because of adults. Which other projects are good in terms of ROI except for Jasmy, Miria, XEN, Swift, like above 50x ROI? That's a pretty broad question. That's a pretty broad question you're asking. I mean, all you really have to do, there's a ton out there. That have, potential 50x ROI. You've got Veracity here, right? Veracity should do very, very well. You've got Corium. Corium should do very, very well. It's only got a $36 million market cap, right? What else? Got some potential. 50x's, eh? Turbo. I mean, possibly something like Turbo, Degen, but you're getting into meme coins then. You've got Naka. Naka Games only has $112 million market cap, right? There's some great projects out. There's lots of great ones. Look at this. Tectum's only got a $58 million market cap. What's even SEI? SEI only has a $1.15 billion market cap. 1.15. Okay, let me put that in perspective for you here. Okay, $1.15 billion market cap. Jasmy's market cap is 1.50. SEI Network has a smaller market cap than Jasmy does, right? So, yeah. So there's lots out there like that. Taraxa, $26 million market cap for Taraxa. Absolutely fantastic potential there. So yeah, there's quite a bit. Stronghold's only got a $28 million market cap. There's some good potential. You just got to make sure the tokenomics fit what you're trying to do, right? Brian, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. What's up, Rob Father? I'm here for the alpha, brother. Always facts. MEXC requires KYC now. That's why. There you go. Howdy. NordVPN is the best. Always find a good deal with Google search. Yeah, I'm looking at getting a NordVPN myself right now, actually. Rob, what got you into XCN, and what do you think the Ethereum ETF will boost XCN? I changed my algo for XCN recently. That's a lot to unpack. What got me into XCN? I was just researching projects, to be honest with you. I was looking at some small cap projects, and then I went and I read the white paper, and I started reading some of their, some of their Telegram, some of their Discord, kind of seeing what they're doing. And I just got more and more really the same way, well, similar way that I got into JASMY, right? I stumbled across it. I started researching it. And the deeper I dive, the more fascinated I became, to be honest with you. And do you think the Ethereum ETF will boost XN? Yes, I think the Ethereum ETF will boost pretty much all of the Ethereum ecosystem, to be honest with you. I think it'll boom, just like when I showed you guys the side-by-side charts a couple of weeks ago. I was talking about this. I used Stacks as an example, because Stacks is basically the primary layer 2 on Bitcoin network, right? So what we did was we tracked Stacks progress at the time of the ETF when Bitcoin's price spiked because of the ETFs, and Stacks followed Bitcoin's price trajectory, right? So just as an example of a strong layer 2 in the ecosystem that started to run with the value of Bitcoin because of the ETFs, right? So I do believe that most of the Ethereum ecosystem will benefit largely, right? So yes. Also, I'll have to continue to stay on the members side for the lives, or do we do live sessions? The live sessions on the Patreon are not started yet. We're just waiting for more. We're waiting for a few more people to kind of accumulate there, because if we do live streams over there right now, that'd be like, there's lots of people there, but just like on the member side here, we have over 300 people on the member side here. But when we do the members only live streams, right, we get like half show up, right? Because we're live streaming at different times in the world. Some people are in bed, some people are at work when we're live streaming, right? So we're just waiting for a few more people to jump over. There will be members only or Patreon only live streams. Yes, if that answers your question. David, man, that name brings back flashbacks. Say Thomas screwed me. Yeah, they burned a lot of people, man. I'm holding 100%, man. Brian, Type AI will have a 50x potential. Yeah, there you go. Type AI is another one. Exactly. The new Saitama just applied for CoinMarketCap. It's a week old. It's supposed to be billish since OGs are in it. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't know enough about it. I'd have to do some more reading on it, to be honest with you. I'd have to look up who's behind it and everything. Daryl, what's up, man? Any upcoming catalysts for Turbo? I'm gonna have to get back to you on that, man. Maybe I'll do another Turbo video. Not that I know of, but I haven't done much digging into it lately, so there probably is some stuff that I could dig up. CTX is a 50x potential. Yes, you're absolutely right there too, Holmes. Soulboy, see, Rob, that's my problem now. Diamond Hands let 89 racks go back to the system when Baby Soul got to 17 cents. Ouch. Also, the web browser Opera has a built-in VPN. Okay, you can turn it on and off. I think I heard of that, actually. I think I've heard of that. Hey, Rob, thanks for all you do to help us understand what's going on. Hey, no problem, Jays. No problem, my friend. I appreciate the support you guys give the channel. Rodney, is XCN a sleeping powerhouse? How big or massive will this become in your opinion? Guys, I am huge on XCN. And the reasoning for that, guys, is we got the V3 white paper coming on. We got to have a sneak peek at it, right? One, they're implementing a burn mechanism. Two, they have their layer 3 that's going to be launched over on Base, and I am a big believer in Base. 3, they're going to have their own stable coin, VUSD. and so much more, guys, right? They're building out a big ecosystem, and I want to be a part of it. Do you think for a smaller capital, 4 to 5 projects are enough? Absolutely. 4 to 5 projects. There's nothing wrong with just consolidating your money into 4 or 5 solid projects, guys. Absolutely. If you have smaller capital, that is a fantastic way to go. Delboy says, hit the likes, peeps. Absolutely, guys. Smash it, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button. Help the channel grow. That would be absolutely epic if you would help us out with that. Hello, bro. Hey, what's going on, man? What's going on? Underdog Research done a deep dive on Turbo. Did he? I'm gonna have to go check that out. Check out Underdog's research channel for the Turbo Dive. Part 2 is coming soon, and it's pretty interesting. I'm going to do that. Turbo V2 videos. Turbo 2 videos. Absolutely, man. Thanks, bro. Hey, no problem, brother. No problem. Beebs, what's up, my friend? Good afternoon, future crypto millionaires. Thank you, Rob. XCN has to reach 20 cents. 18 cents is the all-time high. That's all I need. I mean, realistically, I would be happy at 10 to 15 cents, to be honest with you. Nearly doubled my goal on Swift, and now I'm just itching to see my portfolio back in the green. Nearly doubled my JASMY bag as well, and upped my XCN bags and spell bags. Nice, Sam. Congratulations, brother. Rob, I have JASMY Coin, XCN, Swift, and DGen. Nice. 4 decent projects, my friend. 4 decent projects, brother. Looking good. I love the positivity, guys. I absolutely love the positivity. I love the portfolios. I love it all, guys. I'm here for all of it. I've started to throw $5 into things I think could have successful utility in the future. Nice. Big Kev, what's our next technical target for JASMY? Well, we were looking at it since you were late, Kevin. We were looking at it earlier. We're looking at, we got to hold, first thing we got to do, we got to, just under 3 hours left, we got to hold this 3 cent level as support, first of all, right? We have to close above this 3 cent level. That's the first thing we have to do, right? If we can do that, even if this candle remains red, if we can close it above 3 cents, we're good, right? I think that we're going to see over the next, I don't know, maybe week or so, we will see us work our way up to this 4 cent level where we will retest that resistance, and we'll see what happens from there. We may reject off of it and start to try to build support somewhere, somewhere around here, right? Somewhere in this area, right? Somewhere like that. We may reject off and try to build support again there, but we'll have to see what happens, right? So the next goal, like I said, step by step, let's close above this support level here at 3 cents and work our way up from there, right? First things first, let's get a solid support level daily close. Let's solidify some support. Should no one notice I was late? Oh, I noticed, brother. I noticed. All right, guys. So listen, that is the news as it is so far today. I'm gonna go grab some lunch. I overslept a little bit earlier, tried to rest up. So, what do we got here? Quant, JASMY, XRP, XLM, HBAR in my bags, small XCN and Swift in the pocket as well. Nice. That's a nice, well-rounded portfolio, my friend. I dig it. All good plays. All good plays. I mean, absolutely. Another thing I like about XCN as well, guys, is that they launched basically in 2022 when we were falling down in a bear market. So they haven't really seen a bull run either. So that's going to be exciting. What happened to Spell? No one asked about it. I never followed it closely. Has it gone poof? No, Spell's fine. Nothing's happened with Spell. Spell's just doing Spell things, I guess, right? We were more talking about Spell as almost like guys were just joking around with me about it because every single live stream someone would ask about the price action of Spell, right? So yeah. Cat, thanks, Rob. Hey, no problem. All right, guys, I'm gonna go grab some food. Have yourselves a fantastic rest of your day. Hope you guys enjoyed me popping in for a surprise impromptu live stream. Just don't hear hammered on the day. Realistically, could we see 35 cents? Yes, we could realistically. Personally, though, like I said, I will be out around 18 cents. I'll probably start DCAing out around 15 cents, to be honest with you. Enjoy. Rob, there's time difference between Canada and the United States. I looked it up and was told no. But you're always in the morning when I'm in the evening. I'm enjoying. Oh, really? That's weird. Enjoy lunch, bro. Thank you very much. Sam, laughing it up. All right, guys. I'm going to go eat some food. Have yourselves a great afternoon. Thank you, as always, guys, for all of your support. It means everything. And I will see you guys a little bit later.